Hey friends, if you encounter the error, some settings are managed by your organization message in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. If you are using a work or school computer which is managed by an organization through a server, then there are a lot of settings which are restricted by the IT administrator of your company. So you can contact the IT administrator of your company to fix this through the policy editor, which they will upon their own accord. A lot of other websites and channels are mentioning registry editor fixes, which are simply a replica of the group policies. However, that will not work from your end because these restrictions have been set by the IT administrator. So contact the IT department. But if you're using a home computer and it still occurs, then there is quite a probability that either you were recently disconnected from a domain or a third party application is causing the problem. So if you are recently disconnected from the domain, then you will have to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. And after that you can check for updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is a clean boot. Check for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.